Okay, Pac-Manies, we're going to continue with customary measurements, and this is going to be capacity, which is just how much can something hold of a liquid. So I put over here, it's on your chart, so you can always go back to this, and this is a little bit more thorough, the conversion chart. But something I like to try to remember is the order. It goes ounces, cups, pints, quarts, gallons to get bigger. Ounces, cups, pints, quarts, gallons, okay? And then remember these numbers, 8224. 8224. If you remember that order, I need 8 ounces for a cup. I need 2 cups for a pint, 2 pints for a quart, and 4 quarts for a gallon. And if you think about it, the name quart is quarter, right? And a quarter is a fourth, right? So ounces, cups, pints, quarts, gallons, and then times 8, times 2, times 2, times 4. 8224. So keep that in mind. It's going to show up again later, but I try to remember that. So looking at our first example here, unlocking the problem, Mara has a can of paint with 3 cups of purple paint in it. So we've got 3 cups of purple paint. She also has a bucket with a capacity of 26 ounces. So she's got this bucket that can hold 26 ounces. And then our question is, will the bucket hold all of the paint? So this is a good question because you do not want to have a too small bucket and then pour all the paint in it and have it spill all over the place. So what capacity does Mara need to convert? She's got 3 cups, but the bucket is in ounces. So really it could be either way, but she's got to do ounces to cups, right? Or vice versa. I'm going to go with multiplying. So, right, I have 3 cups, which are bigger, so I need more ounces, so I'll be multiplying. After Mara converts the units, what does she need to do next? Well, after she converts how much paint she has to do what? Will it fit in the container? So she's got to compare the paint to the container. All right, so that's what the problem's asking us to do. If I open this can of paint and I pour it into this bucket, will it all fit, or am I going to make a gigantic mess? Hopefully it fits. So capacity of a container is the amount a container can hold. So capacity, how much can it hold? And 1 cup is, of course, like we said earlier, is 8 fluid ounces. Ounces are smaller. I need many of those to fill this up because they're smaller to make the same amount of volume. So this bar model thing, just like yesterday, is really just skip counting. 8, 16, 24. So I'm going to end up with 24, right? Or I multiply it, which is to just do it my preferred method. 3 times 8 is 24, right? So that's pretty easy peasy, pretty straightforward. 24 ounces. What does Pac-Man always want to eat? Bigger number. So 26 is bigger. Since 24 is less than 26 fluid ounces, Mara's bucket will hold all the paint. Yay! Down at the bottom, what if Mara has 7 cups? So I've got 7 cups of green paint and a container filled with 64 ounces of yellow paint. Which color of paint does Mara have more of? So what would you like to convert? Right? If I convert the yellow paint, I'm going to take my ounces and turn them into cups. I have fewer cups, so I need to divide. If I take my 7 cups and I want ounces, I need more ounces. I'll need to multiply. So you just got to decide what you want to do. Me, I'm going to multiply. So you can pause right here and try this on your own, or you can follow along with me. But I'm going to take my yellow, and that equals 64. I'm going to put my little red on this side. Okay, and when I multiply 7 times how many ounces? 8224. So it's 8 equals 56. So what does Mara have more of? She's got more yellow. More yellow. I always like this explain your reasoning. More yellow. Because, like 64 is more than 56. 64 is more than 56 ounces. I always find that to be a curious question. All right. first page done and out of the way. Moving on to the next one.